morning, dear boys. Today we are going to start a new topic in English language. We are going to learn adverbs today. So adverbs are words that tell how an action is done. Adverbs tell how an action is done. So adverbs describe verbs, adverbs or adjectives in a sentence, which means that in a sentence, like he ate the sandwich, ate is the verb. A person ate a sandwich. How did he eat the sandwich? He ate the sandwich quickly. He ate the sandwich slowly. Or he ate the sandwich carefully. So an adverb tells us where an action is done, how an action is done, when an action is done, or how often, how many times, how often, how frequently an action is done. So in a sentence, an adverb modifies. Modifies means adds something to the meaning of or changes. So in a sentence, adverb modifies a verb. Like walks. Walks is a verb. And how does a person walk? Or how does an animal walk? The word slowly, carefully, fast. So these are the words that tell something more about the action word here or the verb here. Walks slowly. Moves is another verb and carefully tells us how the movement is done. Moves carefully. And boys, you will notice that adverbs are words that have ly in the end most of the time, like slowly, carefully, quickly. So, pay attention, boys, that in a sentence, the word that tells us how an action is done, when an action is done, where an action is done, or how often an action is done, that word in the sentence is an adverb. Let's take a few examples. Let's see how an action is done. He ate the sandwich quickly. When an action is done, Ashu went to the beach. When did he go? Yesterday. When did he go? Day before yesterday. So the words that tell us when an action is done, those words are adverbs. Where an action is done. Can you park your car here? This is a question. There should be a question mark here. Can you park your car here? Or can you park your car there? Can you park your car outside? Or can you park your car inside? So, where the action is to be done, the words that tell us where an action is done, those words are adverbs. Then, how often? I sometimes never drink coffee in the morning. I sometimes drink coffee in the morning. Or you can also say, I never drink coffee in the morning. So, these words like sometimes, never, they tell us how often you drink coffee or someone drinks coffee. So, these words are adverbs. So, words that tell how an action is done are called adverbs. Thank you. God bless.